So today we are learning to message broadcast. So previously we are saying in a scratch to broadcast a message to use of wait command. So first you want to delete this sprite and first again select the broadcast. I am using the space broadcast. So I'm using this background and choose the sprite. Choose the sprite. You search on related to space. I'm using the bonnet and other sprite is uh, robot. Suppose that I'm using this. So when my flag is on, then looks hello robot or are you. I'm using the first I'm using on Monet. So go on when click on event looks go okay. Then we go on the robot. Then when a flag is start and wait for 2 seconds because this taking 2 seconds. Then after it will talk. So hello Monet, I am fine. But it's have a see it previously is say previously doing like this. So when you using 510 sprite is have calculating one by one time and that takes some problem uh, mm, to display the message and calculating it. So in a price one feature is in a scratch, one feature is available on this. So well, let's start it on them. So we are using, suppose I'm removing it, message hello when I'm hello this. So I'm using the go to event, use the broadcast. Broadcast is like working. If you know that the walkie-talkie is a one-way communication that communicate from one person to other person based on one way. When one is talk and then after it take over, then after second will talk. So this type of message is called one way communication. So broadcast in a scratch like this type of working. So when you click on broadcast, then he said put new message take over monet over. Yeah. Okay, then when you go to robot and when I receives monet 1 over, then put message hello monet, I am fine. Okay, see, and then put event broadcasts take robot 1 over. Okay, let's see. and this time no using the wait command. I am using the broadcast. So let's again we want to add, suppose we add when I receive from robot, receive from robot and put robot is which place I am I reach, which place I reach. Then after uh, use event broadcast thence monet monet to over. Okay. Then go to monet when receive monet to over. And monet to and monet to over. Then robot tells I don't know. I don't know. See, hello robot, how are you? I'm fine. Or which place I read? I don't know. See again used to broadcasts. But over, then go when we receive find it, find it, and then go to event broadcast and new message connect three. Okay, with searching. Go to event, to broadcast, Hello, I'm fine. Robot, which place I reach? I don't know. To find it, okay, I will search. Then want to go. I want to change this backdrop when on the last position. You have to go to an speed, and I want to when you last time the robot go on this backdrop. So in this is scratch which change costume we will change the backdrop also. So uh, so we go on this and put when I flag click, then go to looks, switch my smart city to, because this backdrop is there. Second, and when I receive message from last robot, go to uh, yes, we go on to robot 3 is over, then we change our backdrop one. So let's see. Hello robot, how are you? Hello, I am fine. Robot, which place I reach? I don't know. Find it. Okay, I will search. Yeah. I want to this monet will be hide from this place. So we use the code chain when I receive robot 3 over. So go to looks and hide. Hello robot, how are you? Hello monet, I am fine. Robot, which place? I don't know. Find it. Okay, I'm searching it. Yeah, see. Okay, today we are learning it. Next, um, next uh, we are providing a new features and to find it how to next command, how to use next command. Thank you for watching this video.